President Trump just announced that he plans to take over the Gaza Strip, thereby solving the Palestinian problem once and for all.
The U.S. will take over the Gaza Strip, and we will do a job with it, too. We'll own it.
And I know this sounds like so inflammatory and insane and, like a critical problem that we all have to pay attention to because the world is ending under Trump, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But don't worry. Don't panic on this one. This is very obviously not what it appears. Or maybe to put it another way, it's exactly what it appears. Let me explain. Trump's tactics over the last week or so have been designed to what he calls flood the zone, which is to create all of these cockamamie, insane proposals that send the opposition into all sorts of different directions so that they can't focus on any one real thing. And it seems that all Trump needs to do is say some really shocking, insane things, which gives him space to accomplish other goals, like right now allowing Elon Musk to take over the entire US Treasury with the help of just a couple what looks like almost college-age hackers to get all of your financial data to literally control the purse, which means he actually essentially controls Congress, because Congress has the power of the purse. Now, let me tell you exactly, one, why taking over Gaza is just not going to happen. It would cause such an insane amount of violence, not only by U.S. troops literally killing and moving millions of people out of that area, it would foment a resistance movement which would undoubtedly hit American soil. And Trump is at least cognizant of that, and it's really just not something that we are going to court as a country. It just doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense that he's going to take over Panama, even the Greenland idea. These are just major distractions from his actual agenda. And it's a tactical move so that people in Palestine are so scared of, American boots on the ground that they're willing to give concessions to Netanyahu, which is why he's on stage with Netanyahu.
I think it's something that could change history.
Playing hardball. This is just corporate bullshit hardball. I mean, just look at it. It's the same exact tactical move that he just did with the tariffs, where he announced 25% tariffs on Mexico and on Canada and 10% on China. I mean, everyone knew that this was going to be a disastrous thing for the economy. It would raise prices. It would make him deeply unpopular with anyone who goes shopping. He announced it, and the left went mad. Hey, I even posted a video about how bad an idea it would be. And within hours of supposedly instating those tariffs, oh my God, he found a deal and he delayed the instigation of the tariffs by a month so that he can get more concessions on future trade deals. These are his tactics. He's currently trying to get Russell Vought approved as the director of the Office of Budget and Management, which controls the Treasury, which controls the purse strings of everything. And Vought, he's a terrible guy. He's the actual author of Project 2025, the project that Trump said that he was absolutely not part of in any single way while on the campaign trail.
And I have nothing to do with Project 2025.
But clearly now he is using as a blueprint for his administration. The only thing that Trump cares about right now is getting his cabinet approved, getting his cronies into the right place to secure control of the government. Everything else he's saying is simply distraction. Which isn't to say we shouldn't be organized, we shouldn't be fighting, we shouldn't be trying to gum up the works. But the works we're actually trying to gum up are not worrying about Palestine right now, not worrying about Panama, not worrying about Greenland, not even worrying about his DEI initiatives where he's trying to cover up pictures at the NSA of we're worried about the raids that are happening on immigrants in America right now, where ICE is going around and rounding people up and arresting them and holding them without any due process and kicking them out of the country without appearing in front of a judge. That is suspending habeas corpus, the most basic law of any country, anywhere. I think it was in the Magna Carta, which says that if you are arrested, you get to appear in front of a judge and people get to know where you are. That has been suspended. That's a thing to organize against. Forget all of Trump's bluster. He's going to say some other insane stuff tomorrow. Like, I don't know, maybe he's selling Ukraine. He might say that. Don't worry about that now. It might be something you worry about in the future. If he actually sends an aircraft carrier to Gaza, then worry a little bit. But for right now, it is just bluster. Don't let it fluster you. And if you want to do something, if you feel helpless right now and want to do something to get out there and actually make some element of difference, what I would like to suggest to you is go follow the leaders who are stepping up right now. AOC has a great channel. She gave a great speech yesterday. Go call your senators. Go follow the Indivisible account. They have a great action plan where right now they're putting pressure on senators all across the country to gum up the works. That's all for now. I'll see you soon.